This is Andy from Session Lab speaking here. In this short video, I want to introduce you to the IAF Methods Library, which is a great resource for any IAF member facilitator. If you feel like you're using the same activities and exercises over and over again in your workshops, then maybe it's time to find some fresh inspiration. And what better place to look than the IAF Methods Library, which has more than 500 workshop activities which have all been reviewed by IAF members. If you visit sessionlab.com/library/IAF Methods or simply Google IAF Methods Library, then you'll find your way to the IAF Methods database, which is hosted at Session Lab. Now, a small number of these facilitation techniques are available for the public audience, and in order to get access to the whole database of 500 activities, all you need to do is click on the login button here and then log in with your IAF account. Now that you're in, for example, if you're looking for an idea generation method, you can click on the right category and you'll be shown a range of suitable activities which you can use. Let's take a quick look at this one here, the paperclip method. Each technique comes with detailed instructions on how to run the activity, and you can even see comments from other IAF members on how they used this method and how they'd recommend it to be used. Or if I'm searching for, let's say, an icebreaker activity, I can just type this keyword into the search bar and it will show me a range of activities that match that icebreaker category. And if I find an activity that's suitable for my next workshop, I can just click on the Use button here and I'll add it to my session's agenda. So you're welcome to now go ahead and check out the IAF Methods Library at sessionlab.com/library/IAF Methods.